privacy challenges here. In this system, in the Predictor system, we need privacy for the predictions that are submitted, because if that's transparent on-chain, then other people would just peek on-chain and see, right? Also, the computing from the different submitted predictions from 3 or 20 different predictors, as those get aggregated up, that has to be private as well, because otherwise, if it was transparent, once again, you wouldn't be able to create value from it. And the third thing is the aggregated predictions themselves. Once this compute has been done, that aggregated prediction has to be not fully private. It has to be available to whoever has subscribed to that feed, whoever's paid to see that feed. So those are the 3 privacy needs. And of course, you could do this centralized, right? But then that kills the rest of the specs. So you want to keep it where it's decentralized, non-custodial, permissionless, all of this, right? So that's the big challenge. And for the last 10 years, we've had transparent chains. And now the world is moving towards privacy. And just in the nick of time of the privacy work, we explored and looked around at the different options of what would work. We built many prototypes using a whole variety of things from home of work encryption to TEs and so on. And in the end, we chose to use Oasis Sapphire. Why? It met our privacy needs cleanly end to end. It's the only privacy-preserving EVM chain in production right now. And how does it use to make things private? It uses Intel SGX, Trusted Execution Environment, TEE.
Hi guys, I'm the BD manager at Oasis, Matej, and yeah, congrats to the Ocean team for launching Predictor. We're very happy to see this product. We think it's going to do good, and we're also excited to see them using the underlying tech Sapphire for the privacy preservation of the data feeds. Prediction feeds, basically, yeah. So I'm going to do a quick intro what Sapphire is. So basically, it enables contract state confidentiality. It's very flexible, so in essence, everything's public if you don't program it to be private. So it's not like a privacy chain when everything needs to be private, but you can have it on a spectrum. It can be completely public, completely private, or anywhere in between. It has strong integrity and security guarantees because we're separating compute from key management keys. If something gets compromised, everything doesn't get revealed, as in maybe some other project that you also use TEs. We also have full EVM compatibility, so easy to use with familiar tooling, right? You're using Solidity, Hardhat, Truffle, and with privacy, native privacy, you can get random number generation, signing, encryption, all of that, just using natively on-chain, right? As we know that not every dApp wants to move their stuff to another chain. We are also developing the Oasis privacy layer, where you can utilize the privacy features without moving your user or funds or the dApp to our chain. You're just plugging into our chain through the messaging bridge, message passing bridge, to get the privacy features you need. Let's say in a secret ballot, you can get users in a DAO that's based on Ethereum voting in private on Sapphire and get the final result back on Ethereum without the user ever knowing it. There are some very interesting use cases that come with on-chain privacy, private data management on-chain, decentralized ID, secret ballots, a lot of stuff you can do with NFTs, confidential NFTs, sealed bid auctions, gaming. There's a whole spectrum, fog of war, all that, private payment. Check it out, oasisprotocol.org, and I'll give it back to you, Trent.
Thank you, Matej.
Thank you.
Yes, we're very happy. Oasis Sapphire came along just in the nick of time to serve our needs with Predictor.